Alright, so welcome back. As stated in the last video, I was looking for the 6 hours BC to be tagged into, which is right here. This BC right here, and we got it, right? Even reaching into that daily consequent encroachment, right? The CE of the daily BC right here. Okay, so right now moving forward, what do I expect? Okay, because it's a non-farm payroll week, and at the same time we do have a holiday on Friday, so maybe price would just consolidate around this area here within that daily BC. Okay, so best case scenario is that we close the week above it, right? So Friday's close above this BC, that would be a good indicator. But as long as we do not close below back into this balanced price range, I think overall we are fine. Okay, still gonna look on above market price to buy stops right here. Okay, so on a dollar it has been falling, and right here we have a small volume imbalance with a bearish order block. I would like to see the price hold here and not trade above the swing high. Okay, it should just continue its downside from this area here to take out this sell side right here. All right, but do keep in mind that because now, recently we have seen lots of news of the so-called dollar devaluation. So at this point in time, I'm not sure if it's going to continue to be bearish, because essentially the media is trying to inform the public that the dollar is going to crash. All right, and I think I would like to be on the contrary. I would like to be in the opposite camp of the media, right? So right now I will be looking for SMTs on the currencies. Okay, so dollar made a lower low here and did not take out this low just yet, right? What do we have on the euro? Right, similarly took out this high here, but not this high yet. Okay, and then we have GBP. Now this is different. So took out the highs here, right, made in around January, took out the highs here, and right now I think it can reach into this buy stops. Okay, but if any break down like a shift in market structure right here, then I think we have a SMT. So I will be cautious of that, because we are looking, we are heading into Q2. I'm not sure if this is that Judas swing, so I will be cautiously long for now, right? Even though for the equities I'm still looking at this high, but I understand that we are in a high interest rate environment that usually does not work well with equities. Okay, so which is why you see the lackluster movement of the S&P as compared to the foreign currencies. But on Nasdaq it's another beast. So Nasdaq has already cleared out this high here, so we have a potential SMT heading into the second quarter of the year, right? So likewise for equities, invalidation for longs would be if we break this low right here. Okay, but for me myself, once we start closing back inside this range, okay, this balanced price range, I will be leaning towards bearishness, okay, because this is a bullish breaker. If it's to trade through and close below this breaker here, I think we are in a low probability bull bias. Okay, so where should I go from here? Same thing, I'm looking at 10th of April, which is next week, right? We might see a reversal. I'm not too sure because it would be 40 days since March, and then the next date would be 1st of May. So let's see if the equities would like to run higher here. Okay, gold on the other hand, it's already reaching its target. Okay, gold's target is this relative equal highs here. So if all other pairs or other instruments have reached their supposed targets and equities are lagging behind, then I would lean on to think that okay, maybe they're not gonna take out this high, right? But it remains to be seen. Right now I am still bullish, right? Just to make it clear, I am still bullish, right? But as long as we close back inside this balanced price range, then I would re-evaluate my bias. Very simple. Okay, so let's just see where we are on the current dealing range, right? Okay, we are right here. Great. So let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. Right, so we have a small weekend opening gap right here. Okay, prices has been declining after that Tuesday high was printed. Okay, so right now, if price is to trade below that event horizon, which is 50% to 50%, right? We are right below it right now, like somewhere around there. So if it's gonna trade lower, then I think this new week opening gap would be the next draw on liquidity. Alright, it remains to be seen because today is Thursday and tomorrow it's NFP, so price can just sideways around here on Thursday. Okay, usually that is what happens. So yeah, on the hourly time frame, I'm just looking for a swing high. Okay, looking for a swing high, and I'll be anticipating a market structure shift. Right, currently don't really have let's see. Right, so we have SMT here, lower lows on ES and Nasdaq, but higher lows on Dow, right? So yeah, right now if we were to take out any swing highs, then I would love, I would lean on to think that okay, we are going up, and what's my upside targets within this week? Okay, the highs here, and maybe this imbalance here into this breaker. Okay, we still have this breaker. Alright, so this is the breaker. I think it's on the 15 minutes, but on hourly it's right around there. So we have the breaker and we have the highs here, right? It looks, I mean, these two highs looks a little bit too clean, too flat. Okay, so I believe we attack the highs here on Thursday, right? If Thursday was to present a move. And why is that so? Because I mean, not Thursday, but heading towards Friday, because the thing is that usually in seek and destroy, Thursday gives a false move lower. I mean, in bullish scenarios, okay, and then it would reverse, and then back into Friday, you know, something like this. All right. Seek and destroy usually reverses on Thursday. Okay, so let's see, let's just refer back to that market profile. Yeah, so I'm looking for a seek and destroy bullish Friday. Right, and I think that's it for this video today. I think I covered quite a bit, and I think, yeah, that's all for now. I don't wish to dive in so deep because we're still in the first week and it's a NFP week as well, right? So I hope you find this insightful, and I'll see you in the next video.